avoid Devon House and Waterloo Road. Big shootout a go out with police.
Yes, so welcome back to the channel, my viewers and subscribers. When I see the thumbnail and the title, then you know where this video is heading. So just please remember to like, share with a friend, drop a comment into the comment section and share your thoughts. Also remember to smash the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever any new content is uploaded. So my viewers and subscribers, right now we have some breaking news and videos and voice note as well, my viewers. News have reached Flavor Media Entertainment TV that there was a deadly and massive shootout between the police and gunmen yesterday in Kingston, Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. But before me even show you the video footage, I am going to share these voice notes with you, my viewers and subscribers. Then I am going to share the video footage with you, my viewers, because I am telling you, my viewers and subscribers, boy, it was a deadly one. I know everybody that was in that traffic are supposed to come at them mouth, Jaja. Right now, my viewers and subscribers, it come like it's a western show. The people them did a watch yesterday. But here are my viewers and subscribers. Police reports have said that 2 men is dead and another is taken into custody following a shootout of the intersection of Old Hope Road and Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew shortly after midday yesterday. Reports are that the men were traveling in a white Toyota Axio motor car and was suspected to have been involved in a shooting death of a man in Swallowfield, St. Andrew earlier yesterday. The murder of the man was reported to the Police Emergency Communication Center, which then used the Jamaica Eye technology to swiftly mobilize members of the Metropolitan Quick Response Team, and according to the CCU, the motor vehicle was intercepted at the intersection, and while the police seek to apprehend them, the suspect engaged the police in a firefight. 2 men were shot and killed and the other arrested. 2 illegal firearms was also seized. Wanna hear that, my viewers and subscribers? So as I say, I am going to play the voice note and then I am going to share the video footage with you all, and you can watch it and see what I go on for yourself. Remember, viewers' discretion is advised, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.
Police intercepted the killers and robbers of Robert Fletcher, where they stole his firearm and an undisclosed sum of money. The police engaged them at Waterloo by Devon House. I'm not sure what the outcome is at this time, but a shooting took place at Devon House. These are the guys who killed Robert Fletcher from Old Hope Road.
Avoid Devon House and Waterloo Road. Big shootout a go out with police. Right at YMCA. Right in front of Abbey Court. Mad sitting. Be a car and turn back. Hear that.
Mass shooting and killed 10 people at a Boulder supermarket on March 22.
on the ground too. Yeah, man, one up on the ground.
You know the car?
Run at the back of the van there, so. So them a throw him in the Jeep there. Yeah, man, now one gone over Abbey Court. So them a throw him in the Jeep there.
You don't know them. I don't know why I'm running for it. You don't know them. What's up?
Yeah, man, two of them, man. Yeah, man, one of them gone over Abbey Court.
No, but the one they were gone about, they were gone over Abbey Court.